Okay, we did some wiring today. Here's what I've done. I cut the main bus line, which is that brown and white wire right, I believe, there. It then breaks here, the terminal block, brown to brown, white to white. There's then a terminal jumper between connections. So the white then feeds the red, and the brown feeds the black. So what we got here is the red is a sub-bus line. It then goes to all the feeders. You can see how it connects to all these suitcase connectors, which connects to the feeders, which go to the track. Feeders in this case are 6 inches long. You can see here the sub-bus, it sort of loops everywhere there's a feeder that's needed, required. The sub-bus goes all through the module. And then it simply sort of ends or terminates at the end along with the black. So that's one module that's been wired for DCC. All the feeders are wired, like I said, to the sub-bus. The sub-bus then connects back to the main bus, and there's only one break in the main bus in this module, and then we'll go to the next module. We'll install another terminal block and we'll do the same thing. Okay, so that's where I'm at with the layout. A lot of work. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.